Good afternoon. My name is Aryan Gurung and I am from Vaishali, Ghaziabad. Few days back, my IELTS result were out and I scored an overall 7 band. So today I will share my IELTS coaching journey with British Express. So 2 months back, I was desperately searching for an IELTS coaching institute. Then I got the British Express Academy and I rapidly registered into their website. And they called me up for a small meeting and they rapidly convinced me for the admission, and I got the admission in the academy. And when I got the admission in the academy, I was having zero knowledge about the IELTS exam, and they helped me a lot in this coaching journey. They helped me in every aspect of the IELTS exam. They taught me every aspect of the IELTS, and I found all the faculties were very friendly with me and they taught me very well. And I was a quite good student in my 12th standard and I scored a good academic marks as well in my 12th standard, but I was not that fluent in English and I was not that good in writing part as well. But after the coaching, after the academy, I was kind of improved a lot with this academy, and all the faculties were so friendly and they helped me a lot. So the British Express Academy is a very good academy for the IELTS coaching, and I scored an overall 7 band with them. So thank you so much for all the help to this academy. Thank you.